In this video, we'll talk about IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC. This stands for the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC. Basically, that's a governing chemistry body that makes up the rules, and they tell us how we're going to name things. And so they came up with a system on how we can name elements and give symbols to elements if we don't have a cool symbol or name for it. So, before the scientific community agrees upon a cool name for some element, there's just a systematic way that we name it. And all that comes down to our little prefixes. And if we know the atomic number, then we can apply the prefixes to the atomic number. So, we'll start with 0, which the prefix is nil. We have 1, the prefix for that is un, un. 2, the prefix is bi. 3, the prefix is tri. 4, the prefix is quad. 5 is pent. 6, I hope a lot of these make sense. 6 is hex. 7 is sept. 8 is oct. And 9 is n. So if I wanted to write a element name, all I'd have to know is the atomic number, and I could make up something. I could go 593. Element 593. What would be the name of that? Well, a 5 is a pent, so I'd capitalize that. Pent. A 9 is an N, so pent N. And then a 3 is a tri. I do T-R-I. And then normally all we do is we add the ending "ium" on it, I-U-M. Now if it ends in tri here, I already have an I, so I'll just put a U-M on there instead. Okay, normally you put an I-U-M. So it'd be pent and trium. That'd be element 593. What would the symbol be? Well, it'd be the first letter of each of these things. So it'd be the P, the E, and the T. So the symbol would be P-E-T, or PET in this case. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's do 132. Okay, 1 is un, 3 is tri, 2 is bi, and since it already ends in an I, I just put a U-M on it. Un tribium. And it'd be capital U, small t, small b. This is why some of the ones in the periodic table I think should make sense. You'll see one of the newly discovered elements is 115, and that is called un, pent, ium, pentium. So it'd be UUP on the periodic table. So these are how we do the IUPAC symbols and names. All you need to know is the atomic number, and of course you're going to need to remember those 10 prefixes that we have, and just be able to put it together. Hope that makes sense. That's using the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry nomenclature rules.